Hello children, now we are going to see sacrificing ratio. In the last module we have seen the meaning of sacrificing ratio, then the three situations under which sacrificing ratio is to be calculated. So this is situation 1. So under situation 1, profit share of new partner is given and about sacrifice made by the all the partners, nothing will be there in the question. Situation 1, profit share of new partners will be given in the question. Then about the sacrifice of all the partners, there will not be any information in the question. Okay, so this is the situation 1. So let's understand this one with the help of a question. A and B are partners. Their all the profit sharing ratio is 3:1. And C, a new partner is admitted into partnership firm for 1/8 share of profit. So if this is the situation, profit share of all the partners are given, then new partners, new profit share is also given, but about the sacrifice made by the all the partners, nothing is mentioned in the question. Okay, so in this case we should assume that the old partner is sacrificing their profit in their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, so A sacrifice will be you have to assume the old partners is sacrificing their profit share in their old profit sharing ratio. So C is admitted for 1/8 share of profit and 3/4 will be A's sacrifice. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 8 fours are 32. That is A's sacrifice. And B's sacrifice, 1/8 is the new profit of C and B's old ratio is 1/4. 1/32 is B sacrifice. Okay, so the sacrifice made by A is 3/32. Sacrifice made by B is 1/32. Is it? So 3:1. Sacrifice made by A, sacrifice made by made by B. 3:1. So this is the sacrificing ratio and the same thing is the old profit sharing ratio. So if this is the situation or profit share of new partner is given, then sacrifice made by the old partners, nothing is mentioned in this question. So you should assume that the sacrifice made by the old partner is their old profit sharing ratio. Okay, so in this case old profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio will be same. Okay, so if you are getting a question like this, every time you don't want to do all these calculation, you should assume all the profit sharing ratio is equal to sacrificing ratio. Okay, the new profit sharing ratio, that you have to find out. How? New profit sharing ratio. Now C is admitted for 1/8 share of profit. So first you should assume the total profit as 1. 1 minus 1/8, that comes 7/8, and this 7/8 should be distributed by A and B in their all the profit sharing ratio. So A's new profit will be 7/8 into 3/4. And B's new profit will be remaining 7/8 into 1/4. And the new profit of C is 1/8. That 1/8 I should transfer to 32. So I am multiplying it with 4/4. So 4/32. So new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C will be 21:7:4. New profit sharing ratio. And what is the sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio will be all the profit sharing ratio. 3:1. Okay, so this is the question. A and B are partners. Their all the profit sharing ratio is 3:1. Now C is admitted 1/8 share of profit. Nothing else is given in the question. Only this much information is there. So if this is the situation, sacrificing ratio will be equal to all the profit sharing ratio. Okay, fine.